What separates great leaders from the rest? It all starts with a vision, a powerful image of what the future could be. But how does a leader craft this vision, and why is it so essential for success? Stick around as we uncover how a leader's journey begins with a vision and how you can develop your own to lead with purpose. G'day, my name is Tech. I'm a 40-year experienced management consultant, workshop facilitator, business coach, and keynote speaker. Every great leader you admire, whether in business, politics, or social movements, started with a vision. But it's not just about dreaming big, it's about turning that vision into reality. Today, I'm going to show you how it's done. Let's start with what exactly is a vision. An inspiring vision is a clear, compelling picture of the future that a leader wants to create. It is the foundation on which all leadership is built. Without it, leaders are like ships without a compass, adrift and directionless. Without a vision, what exactly are you leading people toward? Vision is powerful because it gives people something to believe in, and provided in a way that they can taste, see, and feel can be compelling. It provides a sense of purpose and direction, even guiding day-to-day decisions and actions. When faced with a difficult choice, when confused about what action to take, there's nothing as clarifying as to ask yourself, which option takes me to my vision faster while I remain true to my values? A strong vision inspires and motivates others to work towards a common goal, even in the face of obstacles. A strong vision doesn't merely describe the flag on the hill that you want to get to, but also why it's so good for everybody to get there. But how do you craft a vision that resonates? It starts with asking yourself a few key questions. What do you care deeply about? What change do you want to see in the world or in your business? And what legacy do you want to leave behind? Your vision should be rooted in your values and passions. It's not just about what you want to achieve, but why it matters. When your vision aligns with your core values, it becomes a source of energy and resilience. Next, make your vision clear and specific. A vague vision like, I want to be successful, or I want to make money, isn't enough. Instead, think about what success looks like for you and your team. Think about what money actually means to you. Indeed, ask what feeling success or money brings to you and why that feeling is so important for everyone to attain. The clearer and more emotional the vision, the easier it is for others to understand and get behind it. Now, before I go on, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel because I'll be bringing to you every week new ways to hone your vision and your goal focus. And don't forget to click on the like button below as well to help YouTube bring more videos like this to your feed. Okay, so once you have a vision, the next step is communicating it effectively. A vision that's locked away in your mind isn't going to inspire anyone. You need to share it with your team, your organization, or even the world. Make it part of your life. Talk about it when you talk about your day. Build it into your actions, describing your everyday actions in terms of how your vision is coming alive. Great leaders use storytelling to bring their vision to life. They paint a vivid picture of the future and connect it to the values and aspirations of their audience. This not only helps people understand the vision, but also makes them feel like they're part of it and they understand why they want it. But having a vision and communicating it is just the beginning. The true test of leadership is aligning your own actions with the vision. This is where many leaders fall short. They talk about their vision, but their actions don't follow through, and people see through that. To lead effectively, every decision you make, every step that you take should be in service of that vision. This means setting goals and priorities that align with the vision, staying focused, and sometimes making tough choices to stay true to your course. Also remember, a vision isn't static. It can evolve as you gain new insights or as circumstances change. But the core, your values and your purpose, should remain steady, guiding you through both calm and stormy seas. Let's look at some examples. Nelson Mandela had a vision of a free and equal South Africa. His vision wasn't just about ending apartheid, it was about creating a nation where everyone had a place, and he dedicated his life to making that vision a reality. One of his first acts in power was to start the Truth and Reconciliation Council. Now, people feared that this would be a theatre for retribution, but his vision ensured that truth-telling wasn't about revenge or punishment. It was about clearing the past and getting ready for real reconciliation. I'm going to leave an article in the description area below about how in 1995 Mandela used rugby, a previously divisive and predominantly white game in South Africa, to unite the Rainbow Nation. All because he was clear that what he envisioned was a nation that had a place for all. In the business world, consider Jeff Bezos. His vision for Amazon was to create the Earth's most customer-centric company. This vision guided every decision from the launch of Amazon Prime to the development of Alexa. Now, say what you like about the quality of Amazon offerings, but independent studies into Amazon show that they focus their action on three priorities. First, to reduce costs and therefore make their pricing sharply competitive and benefit the customer. The second priority was speed, ensuring that it can quickly deliver products to customers for more customer satisfaction. And third, to continually focus on the customer experience by adding features such as Prime, no reason required returns, and order tracking. These leaders didn't just talk about their vision, they lived it and they inspired others to join them on the journey. So what is your vision? Whether you're leading a team, a business, or clarifying your own life, start by imagining the future that you want to create. Describe the end result as a description of what you would like to leave behind, how it encapsulates what you are passionate about. Make sure that it reflects the values that you believe in. Consider who is there with you and how you all feel when you attain this vision. Describe the benefits of pulling together for that state of affairs and what you will achieve. And remember, it's not enough to dream, you have to take action to bring that vision to life every day. If you found this video inspiring, hit the like button and share it with others who are on their own leadership journey. And if you're hungry for more insights on leadership and personal growth, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you never miss out on my latest content. Thanks for watching. Now go out there and lead with vision. See you next week.